The next step in breaking down a campaign is to identify who the specific target audience for that campaign is. Identifying a target audience can often be a relatively simple task compared to the business objective and some of the other things that go in analyzing campaigns, but you want to avoid some common mistakes that people make. So for example, there are many ads that you see on TV that are showing kids and have kid situations but are actually targeted to mothers. So if you avoid the common pitfalls, identifying the target audience is not complicated, but it can tell you a lot about the strategy of a company and how that strategy has evolved over the years. So take for example the following ad from OLX, which they launched in the early part of their life cycle.
भाई बाइक थोड़ी पुरानी हो गई है, बेच दे।
Are you mad? OLX.in यहाँ सब कुछ बिकता है।
In this particular campaign, you can clearly see that the audience that the brand is trying to go after are those Jugaadu college kids who are looking to make an extra buck. Now, this is a really smart audience for OLX to go after in the early stages of their launch. College students, as we know, are notoriously low on cash, but also they are very open to experimenting with new apps that can make their life easier. And so when OLX launched in India, they obviously honed in upon that audience to go after. However, the biggest audience for OLX would not be college students. It would be those people who actually have a lot of items to dispose of and are also responsible for managing the home budget. Specifically in case of India, it's the homemakers who run the home and who have the most need for a brand like OLX. And this change of target audience is very clear as the brand matures in India. As you look at this campaign.
शाम को जल्दी आना।
हाँ। आज LED और नया सोफा सेट भी लेना है।
कहाँ गया सब कुछ?
सेल किया।
सेल फोन पे?
फोन को बनाओ सेल फोन।
Now, one of the more important principles of brand building that you need to remember is that you need to define your target audience as sharply as you can. Now, a little bit of disclaimer on that last statement. When I'm talking about the target audience, I'm talking about the communication target audience, which means the audience you keep in mind while creating the communication, and not the media target audience, which is the target audience you keep in mind when you're running your campaign. The communication target audience is always very sharp, whereas the media target audience has to be much wider in order to reach the relevant number of people. Now, why am I saying that? Why is the communication audience so sharp and the media audience much wider in nature?